What if I told you those viral YouTube thumbnails getting millions of views weren't made by a designer, but by AI? Crazy, right? Imagine crafting your own scroll-stopping thumbnails in minutes with a simple tool that does all the heavy lifting. Don't scroll up. Stick around, and I'll show you how. Pixels AI offers 4 options. Prompt to thumbnail. Type in a description of your video and let the AI generate your thumbnail. Recreate option. Paste in a YouTube link, and the AI will recreate a successful thumbnail based on a popular video. Face swaps. Instantly transform photos for fun, creativity, or content creation. Title. Just type your YouTube title idea and let Pixels generate your searchable and engaging title. But for today, I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail from scratch using the prompt to thumbnail feature. I'll type, a man with a focused expression running swiftly across a savanna, captured by a front camera, with a pride of lions chasing in the background, all bathed in the golden glow of a setting sun. One click, and here's the thumbnail. It looks amazing. It captures the action, the excitement, and the fear. If I want to tweak it, like making the person look happier, I simply click Edit and adjust the prompt. Here's the result. Much better. Pixels AI is super accurate at making the changes you request. Now let's make it pop even more by adding text. A great thumbnail needs a hook, so I'll add outrun or be caught in a bold white font. In seconds, Pixels has generated the text exactly as requested, amplifying the thumbnail's effectiveness. Let's generate a thumbnail about unlocking the secret to earning with a faceless YouTube channel. Pixels can generate any thumbnail style, whether you're into travel, tech, or challenges. Let's talk. Pixels pricing. Essential plan, $14 per month for 2,400 credits with basic features. Premium plan, $28 per month for 18,000 credits, plus advanced features. Ultimate plan, $56 per month for 54,000 credits, all features, and priority support. Not sure yet? Try it for free with limited credits. Ready to make thumbnails that get noticed? Try Pixels. I today link in the description box, and see how it can transform your YouTube game. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave a heart emoji in the comment section for Pixel's other features.